Hey,
Let's go out.
go out where?
I don't know. Dairy Queen, shooting range, line dancing.
Have you been drinking?
I might have had a wine cooler or two.
Sweetheart, that ain't drinking.
The bartender asked to see my ID.
Honey, he does that to get tips. He asked me for mine, too.
Well, I like to think we're both young, attractive ladies.
To that old fart, yeah. Whoa, whoa, pace yourself, cowgirl.
I'm fine. Now, are we gonna shoot pool or not?
You bet.
Did you know George and I used to come here when we first started dating?
Is that so?
He kissed me right over there in that booth.
Wow, was there some barbecue sauce on your face? It's a fat joke.
I got it, Mom.
Slow down there, sister. You got church in the morning.
Who says I'm going?
What is happening with you?
You really want to know? So, the other day I was making a casserole to bring over to the Hansons, and I wanted to include a sympathy card. So I started to write, "Your daughter's in a better place." And I had to stop. Because how could that possibly be true? How could a better place be anywhere than home, safe with her family? She was just a little kid. That could have been Georgie behind the wheel. How could that possibly be God's plan?
Looks like you could use a shoulder to cry on.
No, she does not need a shoulder to cry on. But I do need a place to store my pool stick.
Maybe I'd like that.
Get.
What the hell?
Your problem now.
What? What am I supposed to do with her?
I don't know, but be careful. Last time she's this drunk, you ended up with your first son. Night.
He's not that fat, Mom.
Are you cooking breakfast for us?
Your mom's not feeling well.
Is she contagious?
No, just tired.
Did you check her for ticks?
As soon as she wakes up.
You can check her while she's asleep.
Sit down.
Do you even know how to cook?
Believe it or not, I am capable of making breakfast.
Sorry, it's not like we see you do much around here.
How about thanks for cooking, Dad?
Chocolate chips? Thanks for cooking, Dad. Is Mom going to church?
I don't think she's up to it.
But she never misses church.